For CAAC, Biosphere is a big challenge. Firstly, because we were facing a new topic unknown to us and the most of our audience. We approached the project presenting 43 participants, individual artists, and also art collectives. And this is non-partnership production. Finally, because the characteristic of the show obligated us to switch the way we look and we produce and we display a show. This is one of the most challenging things we had to face. So during the process of production, we used to provide the artists a short budget to adapt their pieces. Some of them were former pieces presented in other shows in Spain, but also abroad, to adapt the pieces, I was saying, in the exhibition hall. Then we liaison the artists with local institutions as labs or scientific research center, mostly in the area of the Cartuja. And we create a special team helping the artists in their installation and creating a special protocol to take care of the most various artwork maintenance during the show. As you can see here, there are some of the works. You can go ahead if you want. This is, well, one robot of Ken Rinaldo that was only in a video program. This is Tana Croy and Nahita.
This is grass.
Yeah, this is grass. And this is all the installation shoots that you're gonna see now. This is Eduardo CAAC. This is someone enjoying the Eduardo CAAC. Beatriz Acosta. The former was Peter Gina. Here we have the master, the curator, showing the director of the museums in Seville, the work of Amy Jones. And it's a digestive table. We have a large elements, you know, organism in the show, like orchids, worm, elephant fish, and also we have robots also. We have an electronic display by Norman T.Y., robots of Bill Bourne. You can go ahead. This is Ursula Dan and her work double helix on mosquitoes dance to flirt with the female mosquitoes. This is Marta de Menezes over here. This was one of the issues also in the process of producing this work. We were discussing this morning during the breakfast with the curator that some of the work were alive, so they suffer a process in between. So the Martas, you could explain something about your work.
Doesn't look like this at all.
I'm sorry. We wanted to
put it before and after.
Yeah. No, we don't have the after because, well, as you can see, the one on the right-hand side is the one that had the bacteria, and it start to and a continuous process of degradation, let's say. And nowadays we have one fly inside, 2 worms that have been created naturally in the Matas world. So
have been invading my work.
Yeah, but the thing is that because it was a project new for her also, but also for the museum, we need to all the time to keep this communication between museum and the artist, trying to keep the best maintenance of the work. So sometimes we have the problem. Well, for example, well, it's one of the pictures that you will see at the end of the presentation is the work of Mateo Herzog. At the beginning, we were discussing on the condition of humidity and the temperature that the hall has to be. And for a while, after the first month and a half, we start to see that the orchids start to fall down a little. And we were saying, oh my God, it's the humidity. Oh my God, we are not following the protocol that the artists give us. And then we were consulting a special gardener, and we realized that the orchid has 7 years of, weeks of floration. So that's why the flower fall down after a while. So we had to change 3 times during the period of the show. So this is also to show you that the timing of the museum is a special one, and the timing of this work are different. No? This is George Gesset, Bill Bourne. It's too heavy. Don't worry. Let's take a little bit. The hysterical machines of Bill Bourne.
Hysterical machines.
That react when the audience get into the space. Sorry, it takes too long because they are too heavy. This is Andy Gracia's work, Freeze Ramp Plan. It's also self-keeping system where fish, elephant fish is taking care of the plant, and all the system is self-maintenance. This France Cadet work. Field growth, hydroponic. Norman T. White. And Laura Shinty and Howard Borland and their Martian Rose. And this is Matthew Herz's work. Okay, at the end, we can consider the project succeed. We have received about 10,000 visitors, mostly students, and we have beautiful reviews in local newspaper, international magazine, and internet platform. So thank you very much. That all that we want to transmit to you. Thanks.